Good day, esteemed audience. We appreciate the opportunity to share our project with you. We are a dedicated team of researchers, guided by our esteemed faculty advisor, working collectively towards our shared goal. We're here to discuss spectrometry, a pivotal scientific technique used to analyze the composition of materials by observing the interaction of light and matter. From medical diagnostics to environmental monitoring, spectrometry serves as a cornerstone in a myriad of technological innovations. However, there's a significant hurdle that hampers its widespread application: the cost. High-quality spectrometers often come with a hefty price tag, restricting access and stifling potential innovation across various sectors. It's clear that this challenge needs to be addressed, and that's precisely where our project steps in. Addressing this challenge is crucial, hence our project. Our core motivation is to democratize spectrometry technology. This is not simply about making this powerful tool more accessible, but about enabling a wave of innovation across multiple sectors. We see a world where educators can impart practical knowledge to their students, where researchers can delve into new realms of understanding, and where industry professionals can streamline their processes, all thanks to accessible spectrometry. The democratization of technology is about more than just access. It's about empowerment. It's about equipping individuals with the tools they need to tackle challenges, whether they're in a high-tech lab or a remote field site. By expanding access to spectrometry, we have the potential to enhance the quality of research, improve educational outcomes, and accelerate industrial processes. This potential is what drives us, what excites us, and what we strive for every day. This motivation fuels our project's objectives. Our project's main objective is to develop an affordable and efficient infrared spectrometer. We've put a premium on portability and versatility, ensuring that our device isn't just cost-effective, but also adaptable to a variety of situations. Imagine a spectrometer that's equally at home in a bustling laboratory, a remote field site, or a high school classroom. That's what we're working towards. But we're not stopping at affordability and adaptability. We're also focusing on the user experience. We're striving to create a device that's as intuitive as it is innovative, as user-friendly as it is functional. Because we believe that the true value of technology lies not just in what it can do, but also in how easily it can be used. Achieving this objective will make spectrometry universally accessible, fulfilling our mission, because when spectrometry is within everyone's reach, we can all become architects of innovation.